Hi, hello, this is Giri. Teaching 10th Mathematics, the chapter is Linear Equations into Variables. Here is exercise 4.2 and this is part 3 video. In this video, we will learn the solutions of question number 5 and question number 6. Dear students, here is question number 5. A fraction becomes equal to 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. And if however 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, then the fraction becomes equal to 1 by 2. Then what is the fraction? I shall repeat the question. A fraction becomes equal to 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. If however 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, and the fraction becomes equal to 1 by 2, then what is the fraction? Dear students, let us observe the solution. Here we have to find the fraction. In a fraction, what can you find? Good. In a fraction, there should be one numerator and there should be a denominator. Let us assume that the numerator is x and the denominator is y. We have to find the values of x and y in order to get the fraction, isn't it? Okay. Now, it is given that the fraction becomes equal to 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. The actual fraction numerator is x. Then if 1 is added, then the numerator may become x plus 1. Good. Similarly, the denominator is y. If 1 is added to denominator, then the denominator may become y plus 1, isn't it? Therefore, x plus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5. Now by cross multiplication, 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 4 into y plus 1. Now let us multiply this x plus 1 with 5. 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 1 is 5, is equal to 4 into y is 4y, plus 4 ones is 4. Let us bring x term and y term to the same side and constant terms to RHS. That is 5x plus 4y other side minus 4y. Now 5x minus 4y is equal to 4 minus 5 is minus 1. This is the first equation. Okay. Now in order to get the second equation, observe the second point in the question. If 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, then the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Here it is given that if 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, then the value of the fraction is 1 by 2. Here actual fraction is x by y. If 5 is subtracted from x, then it may become x minus 5. And if 5 is subtracted from denominator y, then it is y minus 5. X minus 5 by y minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2. By cross multiplication, 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 1 into y minus 5. 2 into x is 2x, 2 into minus 5 is minus 10, 1 into y minus 5 is y minus 5. That is 2x plus y other side minus y is equal to minus 5 minus 10 this side plus 10. Or 2x minus y is equal to 10 minus 5 is plus 5. This is second equation. First equation is 5x minus 4y is minus 1. And second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 5. And let us solve these two equations. Now in order to solve these two equations, if you observe, the x coefficients are different and y coefficients are also different. So that let us write the first equation as it is, that is 5x minus 4y is minus 1. And in order to make the y coefficients equal, let us multiply the second equation with 4. If I multiply the second equation with 4 means, multiply all the terms in second equation with 4. 4 2s, 8x. 4 into minus 1y is minus 4y. 4 5s are 20. Now by subtraction, these signs may be changed. So that 5x minus 8x is minus 3x. Minus 4y plus 4y may be cancelled. Minus 1 minus 20 is minus 21. Minus 3x is equal to minus 21 or 3x is equal to 21. And x is equal to, here 3 multiplies this x and the other side should divide 21. Therefore x is equal to 21 by 3 which is equal to 7. By substituting x is equal to 7 in equation 1 means 5x minus 4y is minus 1. Here x value is 7. Therefore 5 into 7 minus 4y is minus 1. 5 sevens, 35 minus 4y is minus 1 or minus 4y is equal to minus 1 minus 35. What is minus 1 minus 35? Yes, minus 36. And minus 4y is minus 36 and plus 4y is plus 36 and y is equal to 36 by 4. 4 and 36 9 times. Here x means numerator and y means denominator. Therefore, the required fraction is equal to x by y, that is 7 by 9, isn't it? Good. Now observe question number 6. Dear students, this is question number 6. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and the other car starts from B at the same time and with different speeds. If the cars travel in the same direction, then they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, then they meet in 1 hour. Find the speeds of the cars. I shall repeat. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and the other car starts from B at the same time and with different speeds. If the cars travel in same direction, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, then they meet in 1 hour. Then they find the speeds of the cars. Here what to find? We have to find the speeds of the cars. Therefore, let us assume that the speed of the first car is x kilometers per an hour and the speed of the second car is y kilometers per an hour. Here there are two places. This is first place and this is the second place. This is A and this is B. What is the distance between the two places? Distance between the two places is 100 kilometers. Okay? The distance between the two places is 100 kilometers. Here, if the two cars travel in the same direction, then they meet in 5 hours, isn't it? You should recollect the formula to find the distance traveled. What is the distance traveled? What is the formula to find the distance? Distance is equal to, good, time into speed or speed into time, isn't it? Here, actually there is one car at A and the second car starts from B and both the cars are moving in the same direction and they travel, both the cars travel for 5 hours and they meet at point C. Okay. Now we have to find the speeds of both the cars. The distance traveled by the first car in 5 hours, distance is equal to time into speed. The speed of the first car is x. The time taken to travel the first car is 5 hours. Therefore, the distance is 5x. Similarly, distance traveled by the second car is equal to time is 5 hours and the speed of the second car is y. Therefore, the distance traveled by the second car is 5y. Here in this diagram, A to C is the distance traveled by the first car in 5 hours, which is equal to 5x. And the distance traveled by the second car in 5 hours is B to C, which is equal to 5y. AC is 5x, BC is 5y, and AB is equal to 100 kilometers. Now how to get AB? AB is nothing but total AC minus BC. If you subtract BC from AC, you will get AB, isn't it? Therefore, the distance traveled, if both the cars travel in the same direction, then the difference of their distances is 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. As you can see that all the terms may be divisible by 5. Therefore, divide all the terms with 5. 5x by 5 is x, minus 5y by 5 is y, and 100 by 5 is 20. It is the first equation. Okay. Now, it is also given that if both the cars travel towards each other, if the cars travel in opposite direction means if both the cars are traveling each other towards each other, then they meet in 1 hour. Here the point A and this is point B. This is point A and this is point B. From point A, car travels towards C for 1 hour and they stop at C. And from B, another car starts towards this A and stops at C. The distance traveled by the first car in 1 hour is equal to time into speed. Time is 1 hour into speed into x. 1 into x is x. Similarly, the distance traveled by the second car is equal to y. Time into speed. Time is 1 hour and the speed is y. Therefore, 1 into y is y. You see, A to C is x, C to B is y, but total AB is equal to 100 kilometers. Therefore, from the diagram it is clear that x plus y is equal to 100 kilometers. You see, we got two equations. First equation, x minus y is equal to 20, and second equation, x plus y is equal to 100. You can observe that both x coefficients are same and y coefficients are also same but with opposite signs. Therefore, let us write one equation over the other. I wrote the second equation below the first equation, and let us add both the equations. If we add means x plus x 2x plus y minus y will be cancelled. 100 plus 20 is 120, and x is equal to 120 divided by 2, which is equal to 60. If we get x value, then substitute x value in second equation. Means x means 60 plus y is equal to 100, or y is equal to 100 minus 60, which is equal to 40. What is meant by x? X means speed of the first car. And what is y? Y is speed of the second car. Therefore, speed of the first car is equal to 60 kilometers per hour, and the speed of the second car is 40 kilometers per hour. Is it clear, dear students? Very good. If you can't understand, you may please once rewind the video and you may check from the beginning. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.